Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add your Discord link on your TikTok bio. So it's pretty simple, but make sure like your TikTok account is a business account, otherwise you cannot put any link on your TikTok account, alright? So if your TikTok account is a business account, then follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, go on your Discord and get your Discord link. So I'm gonna get this Discord link at the top, invite, and I'm gonna click on where it says copy link. Now my Discord link has been copied. After I do that, I can go on my TikTok profile. You can click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, so you can come to this place, and over here where it says edit profile, click on it. Now once you click on edit profile, over here at the bottom where it says website, you want to click on website. So my current website, I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna paste my Discord link. So I'm gonna paste my Discord link. After I paste it, I'm gonna click on save. Now once I click on save, my Discord link has been added on my TikTok bio. Now I can click on it and I can go join my Discord over here as well. So yes, that's how you guys can add your Discord link to your TikTok bio. It's pretty simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.